you build a truly great truck? You shut up and listen to the one part of the truck that matters the most. And then you build it around them. This is the new International HX Series. You told us what you wanted, and we listened. Raw power outside, and a full load of amenities inside. And if no rust is a must, like it is for this guy, we got you covered. This cab isn't just built to last, it's built to outlast. And because the view from the top is always better, we gave you the best seat in the house. We even added Diamond Logic capability, fully integrated programmable rocker switches right where you need them. Because you told us you want to work harder and smarter. And when it comes to payload, you didn't even need to ask. This truck literally raises the bar. Meet the new International HX Series. You won't find another truck that gives you more of what you want. The right amenities, combined with the durability, reliability, and drivability you've come to expect. We wanted to build a truly great truck, so we built it around you.